Okay, it's the next morning, a little bit late in the morning. Had some challenges with the grill, so we're heated up. We're at 208. I'm going to bring it down to 200. I just thought you'd like to see how beautiful this piece of meat looks coming out. We're going to set it in. It's already got the probe in it. We're going to set it in the grill here. And then we're gonna give it a few hours to smoke. And here we are in the grill. Look at how beautiful that piece of meat looks. With those Mola Foods spices on it. So we're gonna plug the probe in, and then we're gonna let it sit and have its own happy time on the grill. Looks like it's time to take it out and wrap it, so that we can bring it up to temperature, and we're gonna do is put it in this little tin foil with a little bit of apple cider vinegar, and wrap it up, and we're gonna put it back in there, raise the temperature, and we'll bring that puppy up. Okay, we're at the point where we're gonna take it out and let it rest for an hour or two before we eat. But it's hit 203 degrees, and it smells fantastic. Can you see the smoke coming out? Ooh, it's ready. Man, I wish you could smell this. Ooh, boy, does it smell good. We're gonna let it rest in here, cover it up with some blankets. Let it take a nap before we take it out to eat it all up. Well, here it is, ready to come out of that nice juicy bed that it's been in for a while, and get cut up. So let's get it on the platter and cut it up. Well, I think it's going to be good, not great. Probably could have rested for a little bit longer, but it's going on 7 o'clock here, and my grill issues cost me a couple hours to fix this morning. So, but it looks like it's going to be good, and we will let you know how the various different spices taste as we go through it. Well, to the left is the Moroccan, and then in the middle is the Cameroon, and on the right hand side is the Ethiopian. And I've tried a piece of each, and they taste delicious. Delicious. Could have been a better cook, but that's not the spice's fault, that's the cook's fault. Oh, and Maggie wants some too. Maybe we'll let her have some later. Oh, you like this kind of meat? Yes, you do. Maggie, you want some of this? Oh, you want some of that? You know what she likes the best is all of it. She likes all of it. She wants to eat everything that's remaining. But I'm just gonna give her this. Oh yeah, she's talking to me now. Which one did you like the best, Maggie? Oh, she just said that she liked the Moroccan the best. That's the one that we like the best. The winner is the Moroccan, followed by the Cameroon, and then the Ethiopian. Oh, I better. Oh, jeez. She's a talker. Anyways, great experiment, great spices. Go to Mola Foods. Have yourself a taste adventure like we did. Good night.